Why? Carson's never been on this trail.
Hey, Carson, are you okay back there? It's got quiet. I'm picking my way through here. I didn't push you out like everybody else. Easy, said everybody. Wow, okay. Everybody with Paul. Hey, everybody with 35s, let's put it that way. When you get up just past the squirrel, there's kind of a line to split. If you go to the right,